Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically split your videos all at once, but it has to be in layers and it's on the same time frame. So I have these videos for instance, and I want to split them in the same time frame. You can select more than 3 videos To do that, you're just going to simply select everything like so, and you're just going to go to the part where you want to split it, and you're just going to simply split it into parts like so. And that is really it. If you, for instance, don't want to split this one, just select the 3, and again here, if you don't want to split the bottom ones, I'm just going to split that one. And that is it really. As you can see, it's been split in the same bits here. You can group them as well, but they're still in these separate videos. So yeah, that is it. It is super simple in my opinion. Well, of course it is simple. You're just splitting videos, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.